Welcome to Legal Gangsta TV, where we combine street smarts with intellect to navigate the complexities of the justice system. Today's video is a deep dive into Donald Trump's Agenda 47 and how it could reshape gun rights in America. But we're not stopping there. We'll also explore how Trump, as a newly convicted felon, might use his influence to advocate for restoring gun rights to other convicted felons. This is crucial information, so stick around. Let's start by breaking down the key elements of Agenda 47. At its core, a big part of this agenda is about protecting the Second Amendment. Trump is determined to ensure that the right to keep and bear arms remains a fundamental freedom in America. He views this as not just a legal right but a core part of American identity. This includes rolling back any gun control measures that were introduced under the Biden administration, which Trump believes have overstepped and infringed on the rights of law-abiding citizens. One of the central pillars of Agenda 47 is Trump's commitment to judicial appointments. He plans to appoint judges who are strong defenders of the Second Amendment, ensuring that any future court rulings protect rather than erode gun rights. This is a strategic move to create a legal environment where the right to own firearms is upheld across all levels of government. Additionally, Trump's agenda includes potential expansions, like national concealed carry reciprocity, which would allow concealed carry permits to be recognized nationwide. This would significantly ease the burden on gun owners who travel across state lines. But there's more to the story. With Trump now being a convicted felon, he's in a unique position that could influence his approach to gun rights advocacy. As it stands, convicted felons lose their right to own firearms, but Trump could use his platform to push for the restoration of these rights for certain individuals, particularly non-violent offenders, or those who have fully served their sentences. This would be a groundbreaking shift in the way we think about the rights of convicted felons and could potentially open the door for broader legal reforms. Agenda 47 also includes a strong stance against red flag laws, which Trump believes infringe on due process and could be used unjustly against law-abiding citizens. These laws allow for the confiscation of firearms from individuals deemed a threat, often without their knowledge or the opportunity to defend themselves in court. Trump's opposition to these laws is rooted in his belief that they undermine fundamental constitutional protections, and he's committed to pushing back against any further expansion of these policies. Another key aspect of Agenda 47 is its rejection of international gun control efforts. Trump is likely to oppose any treaties or agreements that could infringe upon the gun rights of American citizens. He believes in maintaining U.S. sovereignty over domestic gun policies and ensuring that the Second Amendment is protected from external pressures. This aligns with his broader America First philosophy, which prioritizes the rights and freedoms of U.S. citizens above all else. In addition to these legal and policy measures, Trump's Agenda 47 may also include educational initiatives aimed at fostering a deeper public understanding of the Second Amendment. By building support among the American people, Trump aims to ensure that gun rights are preserved and respected for future generations. This could involve public campaigns, outreach programs, and partnerships with pro-gun organizations to spread awareness about the importance of the Second Amendment. And let's not forget the potential impact on convicted felons. Trump's own conviction could be a catalyst for broader discussions about how we treat the rights of those who have served their time. If Trump chooses to advocate for the restoration of gun rights for convicted felons, it could lead to significant legal reforms and a re-examination of existing laws. This would not only benefit those directly affected but could also reinforce the idea that the right to bear arms is a fundamental liberty that should be protected for all Americans regardless of their past mistakes. Agenda 47 is more than just a political platform. It's a vision for an America where the Second Amendment is not just preserved but strengthened and expanded. Whether you're a gun owner or someone who believes in the right to self-defense, this is a conversation you can't afford to miss. Remember, this isn't legal advice, but it's important to stay informed and engaged in these critical discussions. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Legal Gangsta TV. Let's continue to blend street wisdom with intellect to navigate these challenging times together. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.